Hi, my name is Kimberly Lombardo. I'm 11 years old and represented by John Robert Powers, Boston. After everyone was asleep, I tiptoed downstairs into the kitchen and slid in a ready-baked Pillsbury chocolate chip cookie dough into the toaster oven. It smelled so good that my dad and little brother woke up and came rushing down. Then Mom too. It was like a family campout. And who says we don't have quality time together? That's including ready-baked Pillsbury chocolate chip cookie dough. Yum. Listen, Ashley, Mom gave us both a list of chores to do, so you've got to get up and do some of them too. The bathroom, you call that cleaning? All you did was pick up 2 towels, and now you're sitting in front of the TV eating an entire can of Pringles. Have you ever heard of a thing called a sponge? Yeah. Well, it's used to wipe up this stuff called dirt. You put more energy into clicking the remote than you have cleaning. You know what? If you don't start helping, I'm going to show Mom the list of all the things that I did. Then tell her what a goof-off you are. Good. So let's go back into the bathroom because I'm going to show you a little lesson and it's called Scrubbing for Beginners.